Hello friends, on this video here, suppose you are facing your screen, it's not working. Sometimes it used to be work so smoothly and sometimes it's not working, like it's too often. You cannot even slide nicely also. Okay, there's many problems on the screens you cannot touch. Okay, so friends, first of all, if you may think that your screen is like so dirty, okay, your screen is look like very old and it's look very dirty, then friends you should at least please clean your screen, mobile phone screen. You can clean through this soft cloth. Okay, with cotton also you can clean your phone with this soft cloth. And friends, the another option is that if you are thinking that your phone has been underwater, okay, sometimes, then you can solve this problem also, like suppose your phone is underwater, then you can put your mobile phone under rice. Okay, at least for 24 hours you can put your mobile phone under the rice. It may be solved. And if you think that it doesn't solve, then it may damage your motherboard. Okay, your mobile phone motherboard has been damaged. So friends, first of all, try to change your screen protector. Who knows, your screen protection, it's not working properly because of dirtiness. That's why you can clean, then after that you can change. If it doesn't work, then you can change your motherboard. Okay, and friends, if it's water inside, okay, it has been under the motherboard, it may be water, okay, inside. Okay, there's water has insert, then you can solve through by just changing motherboard, okay, on your mobile phone. And friends, another option is that you can do is you can just this is the solution how you can solve your problem. And who knows, your mobile phone or your hand is dirty, this one also there is another options that you can solve your problems. Okay, but friends, the first of all is that please try to clean, then after that you can just change your motherboard if you may think that your phone is under the water. Then okay friends, I think I repeat this all again and again, and I'm sorry if I take your time. And friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, I repeat it so that you should not forget. Okay, you should not forget my points, that you should do this steps by steps. Okay friends, I may confuse you, then you can give me a comment, okay, through the comment section. And friends, thanks for watching. Bye.